Hi guys, hope you had an amazing week. Today I am going to cook a favorite winter fish gravy from Northeast India, taro roots with fried fish. The recipe is simple and comforting for a perfect cozy meal, and I hope you love it too. The ingredients required for this dish are taro roots, fish, sliced green chilies, sliced onions, turmeric powder, oil and salt. Now let's start cooking. Rub the fish with salt and turmeric powder. Heat oil in a pan. Once hot, lightly fry the fish for a couple of minutes on both sides. In the same pan, add the onions and green chilies. Fry this until golden brown. Now add the taro chunks, turmeric powder and salt. Stir it well and open cook it for 5 minutes, stirring in between. Add 1 liter of water. Stir it well. Cover and cook this for 30 minutes on a low flame. Check if the taro roots are softened by poking it with the ladle. Add the fried fish into the gravy. Cook it until the gravy achieves the consistency of your choice. Looks delicious. Can't wait to try it. Here is the dish. The gravy is delicious, and I must admit that I love when the taro roots melts in my mouth. The fish complements the gravy beautifully, uplifting its entire flavor. I hope you enjoyed watching this recipe, and please consider subscribing to my channel.